out of Portsmouth. A former police officer cleared in one manslaughter case today is already facing another.
A jury took just 15 minutes to clear Vincent McLean of the death of a man in 2019. But in the past hour, 13 News Now learned McLean is facing yet another manslaughter charge for a different case. Emily Harrison joins us live at Portsmouth Courthouse with a closer look. Emily.
That's right. In just the past hour, a grand jury has indicted former Portsmouth police officer Vincent McLean for the death of Carmita Van Gilder. The Commonwealth's Attorney's Office confirms that Van Gilder died while in jail back in 2018. And this new indictment comes as McLean walked away with a not guilty verdict in another manslaughter case for the death of Willie Marable. Walking side by side with his lawyers outside of the courthouse, Vincent McLean had very little to say.
I'm just glad it's over.
This after a jury of 12 people found McLean not guilty for voluntary or involuntary manslaughter. McLean's attorney, Michael Massey, says the case should never have gone to trial.
When the evidence is clear, and as clear as it was in this case, I just don't understand what would be the purpose in seeking an indictment in this case.
Prosecutors disagreed. In 2018, McLean and several other Portsmouth police officers met two armed suspects who they say did not comply with any orders. According to testimony in court, McLean did not shoot Marable, but he did not offer CPR or any medical attention besides calling for an ambulance. It's a decision Marable's family says cost the man his life.
Justice was not served. They should have gave him CPR at that time, but no, they didn't. They let him die.
However, on the stand, expert witnesses could not agree whether or not CPR would have saved Marable's life. Prosecutors came to a compromise, presenting an involuntary manslaughter charge to the jury, but jurors ultimately cleared McLean on all charges.
In 14 minutes, with 3 professional experts having testified in this case, they found this man not guilty.
Again, McLean only said a few words as he exited the Portsmouth courthouse, but he did mention that he would like to try and get his job back again as a Portsmouth police officer. But that came before the indictment came down that is charging him in yet another case, this time in the death for Carmita Van Gilder. This is going to be something that we're going to be closely following here on 13 News Now. Live in Portsmouth, I'm Emily Harrison, 13 News Now.
All right, Emily, thank you. According to a Portsmouth police spokesperson, McLean retired from the police department back in 2020.